Here's how you can create these single word style captions directly in Premiere Pro. Create a transcript in the text tab by hitting transcribe, and that converts all your audio to a transcript. Click on the Captions tab and hit Create Captions from Transcript. Then open the captioning preferences, and we have this brand new option for single word. Select it, and everything is taken care of. We can also hit this button to remove all punctuation. Hit Create Captions, and that creates a brand new orange caption track with all our one-word captions. I'll select them all and change the font to something with more impact. Let's pick this cool one called Real, which you can get free from Adobe fonts, and scale it up to a decent size. And now we have perfectly timed punchy captions appearing one at a time. Let's take this a step further and animate them. Select all the captions and go up to Graphics and Titles and click Upgrade Caption to Graphic. That converts the orange caption track into graphics that we can add effects to. Open the Effects tab and search for Move, and drop that onto your first word, and that applies a slight upward motion. Increase ease out to 100, and we can add a bit of soft overshoot. Don't add too much or it'll look bouncy. Click Relative Anchor, and now we can move the initial position to where we want it on screen. I'll keep it in the center because that's the best place for social media. And crank up the motion blur. We can copy that effect and then click on the Track Select Forward tool. You should see these double arrows. So go past your first caption clip and click once to select everything past those arrows. But we don't want everything, we want to target just the captions. So hold Shift and those double arrows turn into one arrow. And that lets us select everything on a single track. We can zoom out to see them all selected and just hit paste by using Ctrl V on Windows or Command V on Mac. Hit play and we can see our animated single word captions. And if you're looking to automate this more, go check out my plugin, Captioneer. It comes with a collection of beautiful caption presets and will do a lot of this work for you. You can even build your own custom mogerts that work inside Captioneer. So that's it. That's how to create single word style captions directly in Premiere. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll check them out. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.